named after my dad and his dad before me. But I'm an original, one of a kind, unique. So get back and listen up while I speak. Not trying to be different, just doing my own thing. So come on, clap your hands and sing.
Be yourself, easy as ABC. Can't be no one else, just have to be me.
So come on and clap your hands and sing.
Be yourself, easy as ABC. Can't be no one else, just have to be me.
I was reading a book one day at home when I heard the ring ring on the telephone. It was a couple of friends inviting me out to play, but I said I'm kinda busy, maybe later today. You see, right now I'm exercising my imagination. I'd rather read than skate, I said without hesitation. Not trying to be different, just doing the Scribble Monster thing. Come on, clap your hands and sing.
Be yourself, easy as ABC. Can't be no one else, just have to be me. Be yourself, easy as ABC. Can't be no one else, just have to be me. Just have to be me. Just have to be